Welcome back to Technical Effects for another price update, and in this video I'll be covering Gala games, and the current price for Gala stands at the $0.24 mark, and according to TradingView the market is up by 1.6%. And also on the Gala chart everything is going according to plan. I expected Gala Games to continue to reach its target zone down here around the $0.17 mark, and once we saw that low for the ABC correction, that I anticipated that we can continue seeing our prices in a wave that might take us to an all-time high. So I want to kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening in the market, and before I do that, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell as a way of continuing to support this small channel. So Gala Games from the all-time high started seeing lower prices in this ABC correction, and the ABC correction took us to around the $0.16 mark, and from there we had a bounce back to the upper side, then started seeing lower prices, and at the moment we have broken above the 20-day MA, moving MA, and that is very positive, and at the moment it's giving us support here, and I expect us to continue having higher prices because of this key support that is over here. And some of the key scenarios that I expect to play out on the Gala chart are that we can continue having higher prices and go back to this key resistance that we have at around the $0.35 mark, and once we retest that zone we can then break out to around the $0.43 mark where we have the next key resistance. And it's also worth noting that we are also battling with the 50-day MA, which is acting as a resistance here. This is the 50-day MA and it's giving us some resistance up here, so once we break above it, it's possible for us to then find support on the 50-day MA, and that once that happens we can then continue pushing the market higher to the upper side. And it's also very possible that maybe we have not seen the low for these Gala games in this ABC correction, so we can still have a turnaround to the lower side and maybe go back to this key target zone. And I don't expect us to hammer much into the target zone, so we might just go back to that zone and then have a wave, and maybe have a wave that can take us to an all-time high in this ABC correction, in an Elliott wave pattern, having a wave 5 taking us to a new high. So that's very possible to play out on the Gala chart. Also having a look on the indicators, the RSI is around the 50 mark, and once we cross that, that might confirm that we are having a bullish momentum in the market and we can continue pushing the market higher. Also on the MACD we have a bullish cross, and we are continuing to see increased volume on the MACD, and once we form bigger candlesticks over here, that would be confirming that we might continue seeing higher prices. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out, and I'll keep you updated.